What else?
I was holding it.
Think Rudolph ate the carrot?
Yeah, he gifted it to him.
Yeah, he must have taken it outside for him. Should we put the lights on the tree?
But we didn't do. But we did. Oh, guess. Oh, we didn't do that yet to put them on.
No, we'll make cakes on our weekend probably. Should we put the lights on the tree?
Yeah.
Let's have a look at the tree then. We need to put the lights on.
No, because when it's dark.
What can you see under the tree?
You tell.
Is there lots of presents?
There's two.
There's loads. Who put them there? Father Christmas. Shall we see who the four? Let's open some.
Yeah.